Hello guys, how are you? Again on the road, and every time I am on the road I begin some rant about something. No, today I'm not ranting about anything. Today is a very special day on my channel because since the beginning of my two channels, the Portuguese one and the English one, I want to do all things Alfa Romeo. And that includes the tutorial videos, the quick tips, everything, and also what we are doing today. As you may understand, on your country, on my country, all around the world, we have workshops, private workshops, that are dedicated to our Italian cars. Today we are going to do just that. So today we are going to meet a person, a very special person that actually sells you quality items, quality parts, good original or equivalent original parts. And he can also repair the sun visors that break the spring over there. You can repair it, very nice. It can also supply you shock absorbers, flywheels, oils for your engine, gearbox, and power steering as well. This may not be very interesting for you because you are maybe out of Portugal, but if you want to pass by on vacation or something, or if you are moving to Portugal, this can really be helpful for you. My plan is to get to know all the specialty workshops in Portugal. Later, in a few years, I want to do this also in Europe. It would be really cool to do that. It may be outside Europe, but that is dreaming a little bit too high, I think. But this is my plan for our English channel, to go to Europe, to the rest of the world, to do exactly this, to get to know you guys, to get to know the workshops, to really feel what you guys need, what you guys want, and just enjoy driving an Alfa Romeo worldwide. So here we have the oils for the engines, gearboxes, power steering, brake fluid. The oils can be for multi-jet engines, for twin-spark engines, but we get there in a moment. Also we have here original filters and OEM filters as well. We have solutions for DPFs, we have solutions for OBD over there. We have here, let me show you here more closely, solutions for intake pipes for the intercooler. The side skirts for the Alfa 159 Ti, very special, these side skirts. Not original, but still made from ABS. Starting from this end here, we have oils for classic cars, very old cars like Minis and cars from the 1950s, around that, and up. We also have here oils for the 10W60, for example, for the twin-spark engines, for the boxer engines, 20W50. This may work very well on my 75. Yeah, it's drinking a lot of oil. W40, you get the idea. We have a lot of oils that can be used on our lovely Alfa Romeos. We also have oils for our more new cars, for the multi-jet engine, GT engines, oils for the gearboxes. About the oils for the gearboxes, you know that on the GM gearboxes we have alteration on the type of oil and quantity, and this person can actually help you with that information. That and for this power steering on the Alfa 159. We also have here the additives for the fuel, being diesel or gasoline, and more additives for the fuel flush, the DPF and brake fluid. As you may understand, some of the filters are no longer available from your dealer. So we have here filters that are equivalent or sometimes even better than the original ones. So we have here filters for almost all the cars that you may have. If it is not in stock, obviously Mr. Leopoldo will get a filter or an oil for you, no problem at all. If you have any questions, just please contact my colleague here, the Leopoldo Macedo, and he will answer you all the questions that you may have about consumables, oils, filters, anything for your Alfa Romeo, he can help you. So, about the sunshades here. This is a problem that is happening a lot in Portugal, maybe because of the hot sun in the summer. The springs inside here break. This is for the Alfa 156. This actually is from my Alfa 155, but the system we think is the same. Okay, it's a bit different, but we'll try to fix my 155s, and this 156 is from a customer. About the sunshade failure, each and every case it's different. Sometimes they don't have any repairability, so you have to send your sunshade. I don't know really if this called sunshade, but whatever. And you will see if it has indeed repair. Also, it's possible to get clutch kits and dual mass flywheels. Now I know it is very simple to order this online in these days, but I am seeing here dozens and dozens of complaints each and every day because of bad quality flywheels and clutch kits. So this is a reliable source where you can purchase quality clutch kits and quality flywheels. And so here you have it. A bit quick, but as you can imagine, Mr. Leopoldo does not speak English, okay? So I had to do a simple, quick video of the things that Mr. Leopoldo actually sells and can get you. Everything that your car needs of consumables, oils for all the components, the filters, the sunshades, those things over here, everything that you need, he can help you. If you are here in Portugal for some reason, whatever reason, please contact Mr. Leopoldo, not me, Mr. Leopoldo. The contact is on the description below. The address is also on the description below, so you can send him your sunshades, for example, and he can actually talk to you a little bit of English. You can write English very well. If you can bring a colleague of yours that can speak also Portuguese and English, it's really good. So I really hope you are enjoying this new series. This new series is to discover all the excellent, really excellent technicians that we have in Portugal, dedicated to Alfa Romeo, dedicated to all things Alfa Romeo. This is the true essence of this channel. I really want to discover everything that can be enjoyed with Alfa Romeo, not just repairs and tutorials like I told you. I want you to appreciate your car much more than just repairs and boring stuff. Not boring for me, but boring for some of you. I really want to do a lot of special things with my English and Portuguese channel. I hope you can continue to support me like you are doing. I hope you can consider subscribe to my channel. Please share with your friends and consider the options below on the description. I have links for helps to the channel if you want to do so. And as you are down there, please leave it a like, and see you next time, guys. Bye.